Hello everyone. My name is Snehal Chowdhury. Let's start with today's discussion on arches and its types part 2. In part 1, we have already discussed about components of arches and two classifications of arches based on shape and number of centers. So let us summarize. Based on shape, the types of arches are 10 types of arches are there which we have classified in part 1 of this video. Flat arch, segmental arch, semicircular arch, horseshoe, pointed, Venetian arch, relieving, Florentine, stilted and semi-elliptical arch. Based on number of centers, the arches are categorized in 5 categories. One-centered arch, two-centered arch, three-centered arch, four and five-centered arch. Now let us discuss about the category of types of arches based on different materials used for its construction. First is stone arch, second brick arch, and third is arches constructed with the help of concrete. So these are the some pictures which showing stone arch, brick arch and concrete arch. First let us discuss about stone arch. Stone arches are also subcategorized under two categories. First is rubble arches. These are weak and used for comparatively inferior works. These are made by stones which are dressed and roughly shaped and sized as washers. Mortar is used as the binding material in terms of rubble arches. So here we can get the idea about rubble arches. And we can observe here the units or the stones which are used are roughly shaped. Next is ashlar arches. These are made by stones which are fully dressed and in proper shape of washers. Lime or cement mortar is used as a binding material. Ashlar arches are used for making flat arches, comparatively flat arches. Sometimes they can be used for segmental arches too. Next type is brick arch. Brick arches are categorized in 4 categories. First, rough arch. It is made with ordinary bricks, as its name itself gives us a hint about its look. Joints are wedge shaped with greater thickness at extrados and smaller thickness at intrados. What does this mean? The thickness of shapes or wedge shape units is not same at external and at the internal side of an arch. It is not used for exposed brickwork. So here this is the look of rough arches. So this is not very aesthetically good in appearance. So that's why it is not used for exposed brickworks. It is used for inferior works. Next is rough cut arch or Xed arch. It is made with wedge shaped bricks. Joints are of uniform thickness. Not so attractive due to wedge shaped bricks which are not finely dressed. So this is the arch which is made up, which is known as rough cut arch. Next, gauged arch. These are made up with bricks which are prepared to exact size and shape of washers. Joints are fine, thin and truly radial. Lime putty is used as a binding material in terms of gauged arch. So this is nothing but a type of gauged arch where a proper shape is given to each and every unit of an arch. Fourth and last brick arch type is purpose made brick arch. So purpose made brick arch means what? The bricks are made based on the purpose of arch construction. Made with the special bricks which are manufactured in exact shape and size of washers. This is very fine workmanship. Lime putty is used as binding material in terms of purpose-made brick arches also. So here we can get the idea about purpose-made brick arches. Next is concrete arch. Concrete block unit arch. These are made up with pre-casted concrete blocks, which are nothing but the molds in shape of washers, which are pre-casted in manufacturing company. Good appearance and size of arch is achieved due to perfections. Cement mortar is used as a binding material and joints are very thin. So here we can get the picture of concrete block unit arch, where the arch is already constructed and it can be laid wherever it is required to be placed. Next is monolithic arch. It is made with cast in situ concrete, either plain or reinforced. It is suitable for large spans. The thickness is 15 centimeter for arches up to 3 meters of span. So here we can observe the concrete arch which is made up with the help of monolithic construction. So here that was the end of the discussion. Now it's the time for questions. First question is, semi-elliptical arch is also known as. Guys, we have already seen this in first part of this video. So it is also known as five-centered arch. Bullseye arch has how many centers? So it has bullseye arch is nothing but a in whole circle types of arch which is used for windows. So it has only one center. Thank you for patient listening.